Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about how to multiply polynomials. So the first page I want you to take notes, and then on the second page there'll be some problems for you to try, and then at the end you can see how you did. Alright, and please during this video feel free to pause the video as much as you need to make sure you take your time copying down these notes accurately. So here we have our first problem. It's x plus 3, which is a binomial, times x squared plus x plus 4. And really there's two steps to the process. The first thing you do is you distribute, okay? So if you notice, I multiplied each term of the trinomial, the x squared times the x and the 4, by the first term over here, which is x. So x times 3x squared, x times x squared gives us x cubed, x times x gives us x squared, and x times 4 gives us 4x. Then I multiplied each term of the trinomial times the 3. So 3 times x squared is 3x squared, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 gives you 12. Then you have to follow the second step of the process, and that's combine like terms. So here, after I combined all the like terms in this expression, we ended up with x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now here we have a trinomial times another trinomial, and it's the exact same process as the first problem, except you're going to have 3 terms here that are being distributed to the 3 terms of the trinomial. So the red shows what happens when you multiply the 4x squared times each term in the second trinomial, and then the blue shows the result when you multiply 3y times the 3x squared, and the 3y times the negative 4x, and the 3y times the 6. And then the green shows what happens when you multiply the 2 times the 3x squared, the 2 times the 4x, and the 2 times the 6. And then just like the previous problem, you finish it by combining the like terms. So after I combined all the like terms, this is the mess we end up with right here. This big expression. And that's our answer. So my advice for you for doing these problems is you have to take your time, you have to be neat and organized, because all it takes is one mistake and the whole thing is wrong. So now that you understand how to multiply polynomials, why don't you pause the video and finish copying down these notes, and then try the problems on the next page, and when you're done, hit play and you can see how you did. Alright, good luck. Alright, welcome back. Let's see how you do with these practice problems. So to save time, I did the workout already. So our first problem, we had x plus 7 times 4x squared plus 2x minus 1. If you notice, I first multiplied each term of the trinomial by the x, and that's in red. So x times 4x squared is 4x cubed, x times 2x is 2x squared, and x times a negative 1 is negative x. Then I multiplied each term of the trinomial by the 7, and that's in blue. So 7 times 4x squared is 28x squared, 7 times 2x is 14x, and 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Last but not least, you combine the like terms. So that's going to be 4x cubed, and then 2x squared and 28x squared. That gives us the 30x squared. And then the negative x and the 14x gives us 13x. And then finally there's a lone minus 7 at the end. So this one we were multiplying 2 trinomials. And this takes a little more room, a little more space. But again, I multiplied each term of the trinomial by each term of this trinomial. So 5y squared gives you what's in the red. Negative 2y times the trinomial gives you what's in the blue. And then 6 times the trinomial gives you what's in the green. And then you combine like terms, and I ended up with 20y to the 4th plus 7y cubed plus 13y squared plus 20y minus 6. And there it is. Alright, how'd you do?